Hello everyone, welcome to Class 6 Mathematics chapter number 11, which is Algebra, and the topics we are going to discuss in this video is equation and solution of equation. So first we'll discuss about equation. If we use the equal sign between any two expression, then they form an equation. Okay, if we are equating any two expression, then we can say that they are equation. An equation satisfy only for a particular value of variable. Okay, like in expression we can take any value for a variable, but in equation it is true or it satisfy only for a single value of variable. And that equal sign say that LHS, that is left hand side, okay, LHS means left hand side, equal to RHS, that is right hand side. Okay, there is equal to sign. The expression that present to the left side is known as LHS, and the expression that present to the right side is known as RHS. And the value of variable which makes them equal. Okay, whatever we are taking the value of variable that makes the equation, that makes the expression equal. Okay, and that is the solution of the equation. Okay, whatever you are taking the value of variable, if it is both side equal, then that is the solution of equation. Clear? There is one particular value that satisfies the equation, and that is the solution of the equation. Clear? Now come to an example. It is 3 plus 2x, one expression, and there is an equal sign in between that two, and that equal to 13, another expression. Okay, so we are equating these two. Now come to the solution of this one, how it is forming. Okay, so there is one more equation. It is 5m minus 7, that equal to 3. Next is p by 6 equal to, we can write this one as p by 6 equal to 18. Okay, this is the another expression, okay, which forming the equation. Clear? If there is equal sign between any two expression, then you can say that that is a equation, that is an equation. If there is greater than or less than sign instead of equal to sign, okay, there are two more sign also, greater than or less than sign instead of equal to sign, then you can say that it is not an equation. Okay, that cannot be an equation. So for an equation, the left hand side must be equal to right hand side. Okay, so LHS must be equal to RHS. Clear? For an equation, LHS must be equal to RHS. So here are some example which are not an equation. That is 23 plus 6x greater than 8. So here it is not an equal to sign, that is greater than sign, so it is not an equation. Look at this one, 6f minus 3 less than 24. Okay, here is the sign is less than, so it is also not an equation. Next, move to the solution of an equation, as you have already discussed in our previous slide. So again, come to the solution of equation. The value of the variable which satisfy the equation. Okay, the value of the variable that satisfy the equation is called the solution of equation. There is only one solution for the equation. Okay, for the linear equation. To check whether the particular value of the value is solution or not, we have to check that LHS must be equal to RHS. Okay, that is the value of the variable. So there is a method, that is trial and error method, to find the solution of the equation. Okay, so look at this one. Here is an example. Find the value of x in the equation. The equation is 25 minus x equal to 15. This is the equation, and we have to find the solution of this equation by using trial and error method. Okay, trial and error means just you have to select any value and put in that equation to get the solution. If it is satisfying, both sides are equal, then you can say that that is the solution of the equation. If it is not satisfying, that is not the solution of the equation. Clear? So solution is, here we have to check that for some value which field can be the solution by putting the value of the variable. Just you have to select any value, okay, for the variable x and check that LHS equal to RHS or not. Okay, if it is LHS equal to RHS, then you can say that it is the solution. If it is not, then it is not the solution. So let's take x equal to 5. Okay, in place of x we have to put 5. So it is 25 minus 5. Okay, it is equal to, we have to check that 15 or not. So it is 25 minus 5, it is 20, that not equal to 15. So we can say that this is not the solution of the equation. X equal to 5 is not the solution of the equation. Okay, let us take some other value. Again I am taking, let's take x equal to 10. In place of x we can put 10 now. So it is 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10, okay, that is 15. Okay, 25 minus 10 equal to 15, that equal to 15. Here we are getting LHS equal to RHS. We can say that x equal to 10 is the solution of the equation. Just you have to assume some value for x or variable and you have to put that in the equation. If both sides are same, then it is the solution of the equation. In this way you can check, okay, the solution of equation by just putting in the equation. Clear? That's all. Thank you.